Hi students, hope all of you are good. In the previous section, we learned about diurnal range of temperature and daily mean temperature. Have you learned it? I hope all of you studied well. Okay, today we are going to the next section, factors influencing the distribution of temperature, global distribution of temperature and water in the atmosphere. First, temperature and factors influencing the distribution of temperature. First, temperature. The temperature is the degree of hotness or coolness. The atmospheric temperature does not remain the same everywhere. It varies from place to place because it depends upon large number of factors. They are latitude of a place, altitude of a place, distribution of land and sea, ocean currents and winds. First, latitude of a place. The angle of incidence of sun rays is not the same everywhere due to the spherical shape of the earth. The angle of incidence is high on and around the equator and goes on decreasing towards the poles. Altitude of a place. The altitude of a place controls the temperature. The higher we go, the cooler it becomes. The temperature in the troposphere decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius per 165 meter of altitude. The places at plains are warmer. Distribution of land and sea. The distribution of land and water bodies also controls temperature. During the daytime, the earth gets heated quicker than the seawater, and during night, the land releases heat more quickly than the seawater. Ocean currents. The warm ocean currents along the coast help to increase the temperature of a coastal area, while the cold ocean currents help to decrease the temperature of a coastal area. Next, wind. The warm and the cold winds can respectively raise or lower the temperature of the places through which they pass. Next, global distribution of temperature. The smooth curved lines represent the temperature recorded at different places throughout the Earth's surface. These lines are called isotherm. During summer, the high temperature prevails over the land compared to the sea, and during winter, the condition is reversed. The bending of isotherms is due to the differential heating of land and water. Next, what are the reasons for the fluctuation of atmospheric temperature? First one, pressure variation, wind, cloud, and precipitation. Next is humidity. The amount of water vapor or the moisture present in a given volume of air is termed as humidity. It helps in cooling and heating of the atmosphere. The actual amount of water vapor in a given volume of air is known as total humidity or absolute humidity. Next, saturation level. The stage at which the atmosphere is fully saturated with water is termed as saturation level. Next is relative humidity. The ratio between the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere and the total water holding capacity of the atmosphere at a given temperature is called relative humidity. It is usually expressed in percentage. Relative humidity is measured using the instrument called wet and dry bulb thermometer. How can we calculate relative humidity? Absolute humidity divided by total holding capacity of the atmosphere at that particular temperature into 100. Today we discussed about temperature and factors influencing the distribution of temperature, isotherm, humidity, and different types of humidity. Hope all of you understood the topic. See you in the next class. Take care. Thank you.